Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the upgraded version of Toxin in Fortnite. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and to begin I'm going to start out with the glasses, and I'm going to be drawing both versions of the head here. One with the glasses and also the one with the mask. So I'm going to start out with the glasses first. So let's draw in just a circle. So nice and easy here. Just draw one circle and then come across. Just draw one more. And then right in between, I'm just going to draw in two lines to connect the glasses. Okay, and then from there, I'm going to come down and draw in her nose. So just right in the center here, just going to come down, draw like a little angle. Keep it nice and simple. And then we're going to keep going down to draw his lip, or her lip. So I'm just going to draw one line across, and then just come down, draw another line. That's going to be for the lower lip. And then for the upper lip, just a little bit shorter of a line and closer to the original line there. And then once you have those three lines, just connect the corners. And that's going to give us her lip shape. Alright, so now I can fill in the rest of her head. So let's come out to the side here. Just draw like two little slants. Stop right here. And then we're going to continue down. We're going to taper in. Finish up the jawline, the chin. It's going to be nice and sharp. Alright, and then from there we're going to keep going up. So just kind of come up right here. Her glasses right in the middle. Just come up. Make a little point, just come down, just connect that. Alright, so her hair is going to be parting on both sides. So right here, this one's going to go right over the glasses right there. So it's come right across, and then we're going to go back up. So we're just going to have to erase out these lines in here. Okay, so let's finish up her hair. Back to this point here, just go up. And then on this side, we're going to curve all the way down. Just curve it right into her chin right here, her jawline. And let's just continue this line. We'll add a little, give the hair a little bit more flow. Alright, and then on this side here, we're going to keep going up just a little bit. Just round it all the way around. And then we're going to come all the way down. This is going to be one big strand right here. Let's come all the way down here toward the center. And then from this point, just go back up into the head. Alright, and then we'll add one little strand here on the side. Just curve out, go back into the hair. Alright, so that's the one with the glasses, and now let's draw in the one with the kind of like a gas mask, which is pretty cool looking. Alright, so we're going to start with the eye area again. So this one's slightly different shape. So let's draw like two little curves like this first. Okay, and then from there, go on the top. Just curve out and slightly down. That's a very tricky shape to draw. And then from here, just come down and just round everything out. So it's almost like, kind of like Spider-Man, I guess. Alright, and then once we have that, the rest of the mask is a little bit easier. Just come out to the side here. Let's draw like a little bracket. And then from here, we'll just come down. And then just close it off. So there's going to be a lot more details. Let's just finish up the top here first. So on the top, we'll just go up, just slant it in, and then just round it off. So this part's easier. Alright, and then so going back down here, she's got a little bit more detail here on the side. So I'm just going to come out with a little rectangle here. And then we'll extend this line here, just go out and just draw like one big rectangle here. And then right here, just draw one little curve, just round it off. Okay, and then whatever space you have in here, just go up into the gas mask and just close everything off here. Alright, and then for the details, I'm just gonna draw in 3 bars in here. It was a little bit small. So let's draw one in the center and then 2 smaller ones on the side. Alright, and then for the details on the mask right here, so just come from the side, just come in first. Little angle. Little sharp corner here. And then just go out. Alright, so that's the mask, and now let's draw in the hair. So same thing here, right from this eye, just go up with a line, and then right here just curve all the way down back into the mask. And then same thing here, go up just slightly and then all the way around. All the way around, probably behind this little gas mask here. And then just curve back up. And then same detail here. Curve out. And then come back in. Alright, so those are the 2 heads, and then now we can finally move on to the body. So right here is the same thing here. We're gonna draw in her neck. Come down one line. So this one's gonna be behind the hair, so we can't see that line there. And then we'll just come across. So that's gonna be our neck. And then for a shoulder, come out. So again, we can't see this line in here. Okay, so just make sure you draw behind hair. So 2 lines going out and then straight down. This is gonna be your armpit. You pinch it in all the way down to the waist. And then I'm gonna angle it toward the center here. It's actually a detail for her clothing. Okay, and then let's continue down. I'm just gonna flare out just a little bit. It's gonna be your hip. And then here's your belt. Come across. Keep coming down, just one little more section, and then let's just finish off the belt here. So that'll be a good stopping point. Okay, so now let's add in some details to the clothing inside. So she's got some straps here. Okay, so just go all the way to the armpit. And there's one more strap on the top here, so I'm just gonna draw one line across. Okay, and then for clothing here, just come down and just go out. Down and then go out. Okay, and then right here in the center, make a little point. It's 2 slants going up, so just details for the clothing. Alright, so now let's draw in the arm, and let's start off with this side. So here's her armpit, here's your shoulder, just come down. Arm's gonna be skinnier. From the armpit, just come down for a bicep. And we can actually close that off. And then for the lower arm, we'll flare out. Come back in, right around here. So that's gonna be a wrist. And then for her hands right here, just draw one little hook for a thumb. One line coming down, and then here's the back of the hand. And now for our other fingers, so I'm just gonna draw this a little bit straighter. So just come down Just continue that and just close it off. Alright, and then for the other finger, we just draw one more in here. And we can actually add in just one more little bump here. Alright, and then to finish off the glove right here, it's one line across. So we add one more line here. Looks like her clothing is kind of folded up there. Alright, and then on the other side, I'm gonna draw her arm on the side here. So here's her armpit. We'll just come out first. Come out. And then now we're gonna draw in her hand right here on the side. So right here. Okay, so this is gonna be your wrist. And then once you have this shape, just curve and connect those. So here's your elbow. Just curve and connect this. Okay, and then here's your glove. And then right here, right on the corner, I'll just add in two little lines here. So that's gonna be the clothing kind of folded up there. Alright, so now let's move on to her legs. And then we're gonna start out right in the middle. Draw one little line there first. Start on the outside. Just curve all the way down. This is gonna be her knee. Come back in here. Just curve. And then we'll close this off. So this is gonna be the top of the knee pad right here. And then for a knee pad, just come down, just kind of draw like almost like a little square. Okay, so same thing on the other side. Start on the outside, curve. Start on the inside here, curve. Use the other side for reference. Close that off with a slant and then just add a little square. Alright, so now let's draw in the rest of the legs first and then we'll add in all those cool little details. So for the lower leg, we'll just flare out. Pinch it all the way in. This one straight down. Close it off, and then for the shoe, just a little dome shape, curve. Curve a little bit more on this side. Close it, and then let's just add one little line there. Okay, so same thing here. Flare out. Slight curve, and this one is almost straight down. Close it off, and then same thing here. Dome shape, just come out a little bit more on this side. Close it off, and then same detail. Okay, and then for the details here, just gonna draw two lines here for a boot. I know she's got some straps here, so I'm just gonna draw one here. And looks like she's got two straps here. So I'm gonna draw two. I know it's a lot of little lines, but hopefully we'll see it better once I color it. Alright, and then up here, just to finish off the details, she's got one little strap here. Looks like a little pouch on the side. And then for the details on the clothing here, just on the side here, just gonna draw two lines coming down. And then from this corner, just go all the way in. And so this one's gonna go behind the little strap there. Alright, so that is it for this 2 version of Toxin. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.